We are the Oasis Investment Company, which is based in Dubai, and it is a holding company for Al Shirawi Group. Al Shirawi Group has 40 companies plus in the areas of manufacturing, contracting, trading, as well printing, as well air conditioning, and transport, and many other areas. These are the areas, the 40 companies that do the business, and they're based for last 50 years, and this is the 50th year on that. We have been growing slowly in all our areas, and we are servicing our businesses in UAE mainly, plus in Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, and Kuwait. And this is a very established name in UAE for the Al Shirawi Group. It's a very respected name, and that's what we work for the IT. I work for the IT systems, and last 15 years I am there as a CIO of the group. And that's how actually we are serving all our customers through these companies. Actually, we are here actually for last 15 years. We have done the centralization of all the systems which were there earlier, actually before 15 years decentralized, and now these systems are being run by Oracle ERP system. Now there are many areas which is a product, actually manufacturing etc. is being done by the Oracle ERP. However, the accounting functions like payment functions, like banking functions are done through automation anywhere. And these are the functions actually we have done multiple areas for last 4 years. We have taken these innovative areas to improve the productivity of our all employees and the businesses, and also to cut down the cost. And especially when the corona happened, at that point of time, we have done a lot actually for cost reduction, and the corona has boosted us automation anywhere, and that's how that has been done actually. And many applications such as bank reconciliation, such as payment system, such as a complete payroll system for all our 10,000 employees are done by the systems, by automation anywhere, and the financing etc. have been done directly to the system, or the bank transfer has been done. We call it a bank to bank or company to bank transfer directly. So our systems are connected with the bank directly. Fortunately, I am here for last 40 years, and when I came in 1982, the first two GITEX, when 81 started and 82 actually, I have attended the third one. When I started third one, GITEX 83, we found maximum around 25 or 50 companies maximum. Out of the large companies like a big multinational company like IBM, HP, etc., those were there at that point of time. Every year, the Dubai has been a hub for trading, for the innovation, bringing the innovation from the world and developing it, and the new technologies keep on developing, and when the new technologies are developed, they are showcased in the GITEX, and that's how we get excited. Whenever I am last 30, every time I am coming, I am seeing how to see the new innovative product which we can use in our industry, and that's how we actually also found the automation anywhere in the beginning. Then later on also we are multiple, like for going to the payment system, or like we are looking for how we can use the artificial intelligence and machine learning, and that's what we are looking. So these are the new technologies coming, and these technologies give to the feeding to the industry, and that's how actually we are useful to that. I think it has been great actually years of this GITEX, which is giving a lot of support to the technology people.